But we about to install the fucking headers. Pulling up to fucking the back cave. I should probably call him. He told me to call him. Whatever. But yeah. This ain't gonna be an install video. This is gonna be a video of me installing them. You know what I mean? So it's not gonna be parts of me just like going step by step. It's gonna be parts of me going through. Yeah, this is how far we've been. You know what I mean? So, fuck, it's cold. We going oh my days. I'm gonna get back to y'all whenever I'm done with this shit though. Car's jacked up. Batmobile right there. Puta. Look at that shit. Shit's so ominous. But yeah, I'm not sure if you can tell, but he's pretty loud too. Texas speed headers right there, toolbox, the spark plug tool. I think my O2 sensors we pretty much ready. Is what I'm trying to say. This is the intake after it got cooked. I don't know if I ever showed y'all that I installed this shit, but I'm gonna try to clean the bitch up. And yeah, I'll put the camera back on whenever either someone comes or we do something good. Look at Mata.
Cold air, man. Cold air. Don't play.
Dirty hairs.
Oh, you guys think
alright, so we got everything. Yo, flash the fucking light, dickhead. You know, we got majority of the shit out. You know, we just taking off the bolts to take off the cats. We're gonna install Bluetooth ones, don't worry. Headers soon, hopefully. Time is it? What time is it?
It's 5:53.
Yeah, last time I updated y'all, it was like 1.
6:30, new one's on. Let's go. Let's get started.
6:30.
Look at the camera.
Alex, hop the fuck under. Start working.
All right.
I don't care if camera's over.
I'll get the back. Alright.
Did you our mechanic Mateen Rashid Kambari?
Hey, let me look at the camera. Okay, guys. So today, you already know what's going on. Right now, what I'm gonna be doing is taking off these
So what do you want me to
header bolts right here that go into the block. We do got new ones right here, brother. If you want to take a look at the new ones. Nice washers, everything. This is gonna look really amazing on the new headers.
When do you think we're gonna be done? It's 5:55.
Since I'm working on it, and no, I thought that was somebody else. 6:30.
6:30.
Nah, give me 7.
5 hours later.
Just in case, you know.
A little smoke break, a little talk break, you know.
What do you,
Gotta get to it.
Alex? What do you think?
What the bus says, you know, 7.
Get the fuck under.
And we got.
So with me on the job with him, as co-mechanic, right here, these two reed parts. We could probably do this at 6:30. Look, here's the thing: headers are out. We gotta take the cat sensor off or whatever, the O2 sensor. We still have to do the right side. Same thing as the left side. We have to take out the manifold and everything. So if we can do 2 at the same time, I think we can probably make good time. Trust me. And he's trying.
I'm taking off this, taking that header out. And same thing with the other side, and then we're done.
Peace out. Boogers here.
Yes.
The Maxima with the Hellcat swap. You guys can't see it, but it's over there. Right here we have the Camaro. So guys, this is progress we have right now.
Shut the fuck up.
So
It's done. What time is it?
6:38.
it's 6:38.
Oh hell no! I need to finish this.
So we took off the cat over here. We just have the manifold left,
No idea what he's talking about.
and we have.
Light.
Which one?
And we got where I'm bolting the cat over there.
Oh, what do you mean I'm bolting? It's already off.
Oh, my
Guess
fault,
what?
OG.
Alex, yo, you are officially capped.
And officially, we are like what 40 minutes in from the last cut. We're about to start putting his headers in, Texas speed. But I'm about to leave. They don't need me because they don't deserve the hard-working man I am.
Bro does not work.
Shut the fuck up.
So we have Mr. Vet.
Bro,
Doesn't know what he's
when you
doing.
edit this,
Better watch out. I don't need fucking any of you. This is why I hate working with niggas.
Can we have
Watch out.
can we have some
Watch
comments?
out. We got the cats officially out, and now it's time to take out the stock intake manifold. Or intake manifold.
Stock manifolds are off.
Show him. Let
James
him see.
came, my Mr. Mechanics. It's the fucking head right there. Oh shit. You got so much space on this side. Oh my days. You better put these bad boys in. I'll get y'all whenever we're they're fully installed. Cold started.
Anything else in your engine bay? Anything else in anywhere?
Okay, that's just perfect. You got
Just startup. Or
12:27. So is that two?
let's go look at our progress.
So cooked.
Let's go look at what we've done so far.
But
Final
I need to
product.
clean this intake. Headers, sleeves, diff stick, mid pipes are everything's put in.
Now it's time for the cold start. Let's see some. I'm gonna put it on video. 0.5 or 1?
Whichever one. 0.5. I'm not in a rush. Got it? It's mild. It's real mild. Open hood. I like that.
I'm still recording.
Oh shit.
It's so cool. I'm about to move my shit.
This is the idle. Just trying to go. We about to AC off due to high engine temp. My engine temp is high apparently.
What?
AC is off. Where the fuck is my cool? Oh yeah, my engine temp is high as fuck.
Let me see. Shut it off. What the fuck? Hell no.
What that mean?
You need to turn on your heater.
That's just it is on.
No, max out the heater.
It is on. That's max.
Like on max fan.
Okay.
Because that takes heat out the thing.
Okay. So.
But why is your shit overheating? Don't start it. Why did you do that?
I don't know.
Let us see for a second.
Oh. Alright, we're on the road. Turns out
It was an unplugged.
someone forgot to plug something back in.
Thermostat.
Whatever. But temps and everything look good. It sounds good. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I'm not about to like rev this shit, do anything crazy because I'm low on gas. I mean, it says half tank, but I'm careless now, so.
Just look at my story.
Oh yeah. Stupid ass. But I'm definitely gonna record like more tomorrow and get some fucking sound clips and everything. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the morning, Jits. All right, Jits. Damn, I should start at 40%. I ain't really get the exhaust clips because of the day before. It snowed, so this is like 2 or 3 days after we installed the headers. Actually, that's like 4 now. What the fuck? We installed them on Thursday. It's Monday. Yeah, I'm gonna give you some revs, and then I'm gonna do a slope drive, like pull off slowly, and then I didn't really far fucking push up, bro. Holy shit. I was gonna do a hard I was gonna do a hard pull. But I fucking, hell no, I knew it was gonna be bad. This is horrible weather. I just out of fucking snow, Virginia. It's nice. I'm probably not gonna be driving it as much, honestly, just cause I wanna not fuck anything up. Cause I have been revving it up pretty high, like redlining, but like up to 5K, pushing it a bit with no tune. So I'm gonna try my best to like wait until I get a tune to drive it. Cause I got the charger back. I'm gonna make a separate video on that, explaining everything what happened. But yeah, ooh, Mustang. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. See you, Jits.